Do you know what is most essential for our life? Just like the human body has lungs that provide oxygen, our Earth also has lungs. Yes, the Amazon rainforest, which produces 20% of the world's oxygen, is called the lungs of the Earth. Friends, today we are going to share some fascinating facts about the Amazon, home to millions of species of animals, insects, and birds, that will leave you amazed. The Amazon, also known as Amazonia, is the world's largest rainforest, spread over approximately 5.5 million square kilometers. According to wildlife experts and archaeologists, this forest is about 55 million years old. Its area makes up 20% of the entire South American continent, meaning 7 countries the size of Pakistan could fit inside it. The forest spans 9 countries: Brazil, Colombia, Peru, Venezuela, Ecuador, Bolivia, Guyana, and French Guiana. 60% of the Amazon lies in Brazil, 13% in Peru, 10% in Colombia, and the remaining 17% across the other 6 countries. The name Amazon became popular in 1540 when a Spanish explorer, Francisco de Orellana, tried to cross the Amazon River. He fought with the local Tapuyas tribe and saw women fighting alongside men. These women resembled the ancient Greek warrior women called Amazons, and since then the forest has been called the Amazon. The Amazon River is the largest river in the world by volume, with a total length of about 6,500 kilometers. To understand its size, consider that in the dry season its width ranges from 3 to 9 kilometers, while in the rainy season it expands up to 48 kilometers. The river's water volume is so immense that even if you combine the flow of the world's 2nd to 6th largest rivers, it still wouldn't equal the Amazon's. It is the 2nd longest river in the world after the Nile, which is only about 300 kilometers longer. The Amazon flows into the Atlantic Ocean, contributing 1/5 of all freshwater that enters the world's oceans. Research shows that 20% of the world's freshwater flows into the sea through the Amazon, at a rate of 219,000 cubic meters per second. For comparison, the Indus River releases only 25,485 cubic meters per second. The Amazon has about 1,100 tributaries, 17 of which are longer than 1,500 kilometers. These rivers sustain wildlife and plants, and their presence ensures rainfall throughout the year. One tributary even has boiling water, with temperatures ranging from 93 degrees Celsius to 110 degrees Celsius, so hot that any animal falling in cannot survive. It is said that 30% of the world's animal species live in the Amazon. In just 2 decades, over 2,000 new species of animals, insects, and birds have been discovered here that exist nowhere else. These include various types of monkeys, jaguars, and gorillas. Along with 430 new mammal species, the Amazon is home to about 1,500 bird species found nowhere else. Parrots, sparrows, nightingales, and many other birds thrive here. Among them, the most famous is the macaw, known for its dazzling colors.